Life Esidimeni.
uDokotela Morgan Mkhatshwa nguyena owabe engumqondisi esikhungweni iLife Esidimeni nokuyisibhedlela esanikezwa inkontileka yokunakekela iziguli ezaziphazamiseke ngokwengqondo eyayivela emnyangweni wezempilo eGauteng. Le nkontileka yayilokhu ivuselelwa unyaka nonyaka kanti kwasekuphele iminyaka engama-38 isebenza. Umkhatshwa uthi sasingekho esinye isibhedlela esasibonakala singakwazi ukunakekela lezi ziguli ngaphandle kweLife Esidimeni.
In relation to paragraph 6.2, what I want to put you is that the contract that was in place between Life Esidimeni at that stage had already reached a 38-year anniversary. Do you agree with that?
I fully agree with that, and the reason behind that was the fact that Life Esidimeni was the only service provider that had the capability to provide for such a cohort of mental health care users.
Le nkontileka yadla imali engu-250 million kwakunakekelwa iziguli ezingaphezu kwe2,000, kepha yafinyelela emaphethelweni ngenxa yeinkinga zezemali nokwaphoqa ukuthi kuthuthwe iziguli ziyiswe ezikhungweni ezingenzi inzuzo. Umkhatshwa uthi umnyango wezempilo eGauteng wawuvumile ukuthi yiwona osuzokwengamela lo msebenzi wokunakekela iziguli.
The Department of Health was going to take over the staff at Life Esidimeni. That was the crux of the discussion.
Now that was an important aspect because it would make the transition more fluid. Do you agree with me? There would be the same caregivers moving across with the patients. Do you agree with me?
Unfortunately, no, because the caregivers or the Esidimeni employees were not going to follow the patients to the NGOs, but they were absorbed by the facilities that were under the Department of Health.
Lesi sigcawu Siyaqhubeka.